How to recover Telegram account lost phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can recover Telegram accounts lost phone numbers, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have a Telegram account that you are trying to log into, but then you lost access to that particular phone number. One thing you have to understand is that you cannot log in without your phone number. It's as simple as that. Even if you had added an email address to your two-factor authentication before, Telegram is not going to ask you to log in via email. As you can see, the only option that we can log in is via our phone numbers. So sometimes if you're lucky, what happens is that whenever you try to log into your Telegram account here, instead of sending the message to the phone number that you requested over here, it's going to try to send the message to the previous device where the Telegram account is still logged in, which means that luckily if your Telegram account is still logged in on desktop, you can actually log in and get the code on your desktop on the Telegram app or the website and then enter that code here. Only if you don't get the code there, now you'll find an option to get the code via SMS. But normally if you have some other devices where your Telegram account is still logged in, you will be able to enter the code there. But without the phone number, as I said, if it's only trying to send you an SMS, then in that case you will not be able to retrieve even if your number is lost. And there's no way that Telegram also can help you in this matter, because if you can't prove the ownership of that phone number, that you own the phone number, you will not be able to do so. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.